Everyone, I'm gonna show you VW Tiguan 2010 diesel CR engine, which is the alternator bracket and the air con bracket, fuel injector pump bracket broken. What you have to do, you have to remove timing belt complete, engine mounting timing belt, and fuel injector pump remove. Fuel filter is there, fuel filter housing, and bean bracket been removed already from the side, feeding with the 16mm bolt into the block. And this is the location of the fuel injector pump. That's the old unit and brand new unit on floor, which is the brand new one. If you look at it, that's the engine mounting holder is from here, that's completely broken. And that's the bracket. It cost 178 pounds from Volkswagen, genuine part. And there's the tensioner there, have to be removed. The tensioner from the back, there's the bolt 13mm through on this way. There's the alternator remove as well. Fuel injector, sprocket. Anyway, thank you for watching. Good luck.